Hello guys, you are all welcome to Corel course 1, the introductory part. On this tutorial, I'll be taking you through some effective videos on how to use Corel as a beginner. As I'll always tell you, my name is Daniel Prince. I am a tutor for Corel at WebTech Academy. So before we start, I would like you to write down some goals that you want to accomplish by the end of this introductory course to Corel. Alright, right away I'm going to start. For Corel, you have to download and install Corel. If you don't know how to download and install Corel, please check on the link below and click and also watch the video to download and install this Corel. Immediately after you have downloaded and installed this Corel, please do well to just go to your search or go to the starter button, or you will surely come on your desktop screen, double click on it or right click and click open. It's gonna give you this exact blank screen that you are seeing in front of me. So for everybody, before you are able to do some understand professional design and professional stuff on Corel, the first and most important thing is to be able to create a document where you want to do your beautiful design, whatever design you wanna do. In order for you to create a new document, it is quite simple. All you got to do is to click on new document. Immediately you click on new document, the first and most important thing for you to do is to name your document. I can say first class. So preset, what type of file do you want to do? When you talk about preset, if you are using it for website, or you want to do it, put it on social media, maybe on a website, on a platform that you discover that you need a good quality, you can click on web. But what me and most of the time do is click on this default RGB. But when you don't want this default RGB, what do? You click on CMYK. CMYK is used for printing. So if you are designing for printing, it's always advisable to use the CMYK. But I'll be designing for let's assume that we want to design a flyer and we're designing for social media. So I'm gonna click on web. The next thing is the number of pages. When we were in school, when we pass our exam, they give us our papers, we are counting. Exactly, it's the same thing here. If you want to do just one flyer, you can allow the one there. If you want to do double flyer or plenty flyer, you can double it. That is one, is your choice. So the next and most important thing, page view is how you want to see it. It's not very important. Primary color, I've already set it up on the preset. Remember we said that CMYK is for printing, RGB is for social media. The next thing is custom page size. If you have a particular size, particular board, what you want to do, you just have to come here and maybe you search the board, the size of it. Is it an A4, an A5, an A6? Assuming I want to do on an A5, I'm gonna just click on an A5. But if I don't want to design an A5 paper, what do? It's very simple. All you have to do is you come here, you select which one you are versed with measuring. I for one, I'm good with centimeters, so what I do is I click on centimeters. Click on centimeters. Let's say I want an even dimension. What do? You simply click on this even dimension. You can put, I want 10 by 10. Then resolution is another important guy. So most of the time, if your computer is slow, you can put your resolution at 100, pardon. But if you have a good laptop or a good computer, I always advise use 300. That is what I use. Immediately you are done from here, simply click OK. So guys, that is how to create a document on Corel. So see you on the next class. How I'll be teaching you. After I have created this document, you have seen a lot of things, the tools, the option bar, a lot of things. How do you do about it? See you in the next class.